guys, it's Eric G from Around the House Show. Is your barbecue just barely holding on and you need to upgrade it for the big game? We got you covered. Monument Grills was founded by three good friends in Atlanta, Georgia that wanted high-quality, durable grills inspired by iconic monuments. The grills are created for the person who loves to cook and are built to last and to enhance your outdoor cooking experience. What I love is that they are the best quality grills for under $900. So check out the American gas grill experts at monumentgrills.com. I bet you'll love to cook on one like I do. Check out the new standard in outdoor cooking at monumentgrills.com.
When it comes to remodeling or renovating your home, there is a lot to know, and we have got you covered. This is Around the House.
Welcome to the Around the House Show, the next generation of home improvement. I'm Eric G. Thanks for joining me today. This segment is brought to you by our friends at Monument Grills. If you're looking for that brand new barbecue, check them out at monumentgrills.com. Today in our midweek update, I wanted to talk about the biggest scams for homeowners here so far in 2025 and give you a quick top 5 list to think about and to watch out for out there. And many of these are actually happening on our favorite social media pages, things like Nextdoor, all those things that you should just keep an eye out for when you're tackling projects, right? So here we go. First on here, the duct cleaning companies on Facebook, Instagram, and of course, Facebook Marketplace and Nextdoor. It usually starts out with, hey, I just moved to the area and me and my family have got a 50% off sale. We've all seen it, I think. Be very careful. These many times are 100% scams. Somebody bought a cheap duct cleaning unit and they're going around not knowing what they're doing, causing damage. And then when they get there, they go, oh, it's so much worse. It's going to be double. If you're going to hire a duct cleaning company because you have dirty ducts, and that does happen, pets, things like that, construction, then hire somebody that is NADCA certified. NADCA certified is the certification industry basically for the duct cleaning stuff. And when in doubt, I like to hire a company to do it that has HVAC repair people. So if they go, oh my gosh, I could not believe that duct is damaged down there, they have somebody that can fix it. Or if they damage it, they have somebody that can fix it because accidents happen. So be super careful out there with the duct cleaning companies and the scams that are out there. Many times I've seen them dealing with the public. I've seen them out there. They've got fake pictures of your ducts that are dirty. They dump stuff down there when nobody's looking. They drag it out. Oh, look at this. This is horrible. That's why you want to deal with somebody reputable and never one of those companies that you see on social media unless they are somebody good and NADCA certified. That's a big one. Next one, pressure wash cleaning companies that can do damage to your house. In many states, cleaning companies, exterior cleaning companies, and I'm not talking the soft wash ones. I'm talking guys that just roll up with pressure washers on the back of their old Ford truck. I'm talking the ones that get up there on the roof with the pressure washer, high pressure, and say they're going to clean your roof off. These guys here cause more damage than they fix many times. They'll damage concrete, they'll damage siding, they'll damage your roof. They'll be up there prying off all the moss or lichen up there and removing the granules with it. I've seen them destroy roofs, absolutely destroy them. And now you got to spend $35,000 to put a new one on there. So be very careful. I liked the soft wash companies. If you have a problem with your roof, they've got some treatments that'll help put some chemicals back into that roof to make it a little more pliable so you don't have as much shingle breakage. I think if you've got an old roof, if you can extend the life out of it, that might make sense. But really, roof maintenance is a big thing. But pressure washers on the roof, unless they know what they're doing, and they're the soft wash guys out there, That makes me nervous, and they're probably going to do more damage than good. So that's something to be careful with. Next up, number 3, foundation companies overcharging their victims. And we just did a episode with RK Bob Brown. Go back and take a look at it. There are companies out there that will come out. They're big companies many times, and they will knock on your door after you set up the appointment. And I have seen $35,000 fixes that were fixed with $2,700. So be very careful. There are good companies out there. There's a lot of good companies out there. But there's also ones out there that are just fear-based, high pressure. They won't leave your house without a commitment. And I've seen it time and time again. So be very careful. If you've got a foundation issue, your best bet, if you've got that crack in the foundation, call a serious, really give a phone call to a structural engineer, have them come out, give you the answer, and then put that project out to bid. Next up, unlicensed contractors on social media. I tell you what, they are all over Nextdoor. And in the past, I don't know if it's currently that way, but Nextdoor was fighting against our state regulators, our Oregon CCB, to even let people on there to patrol it. So if you have contractor licensing, be very careful of those people out there on social media that are pretending to be contractors. They're not licensed, bonded, and insured, and they're ones that can really keep you. They'll take your money, or they'll get hurt on your job site, and you're paying them for the project. And guess what? You're paying for their medical benefits and those hospital bills. So be really careful, guys. So watch out for the unlicensed contractors on social media. And the last one here are the people out there buying homes right now. Watch out for those low-quality house flippers. This is becoming more and more of a problem with people doing subpar repairs. They're finishing out basements. The first rain they get, flood up. Now they have to, the new homeowner has to take it on. The ones out there that are house flipping, not pulling permits, doing an ugly job, and that brand new home buyer is getting taken, really watch out for that, guys. So these are my top 5. What do you think out there are some of the biggest scams? Send me a message over to roundthehouseonline.com. All right, guys, have a great rest of the week. I know it's been a rough one for many people out there. Keep your head up. Get through the winter here. Turn the news off if you have to. And enjoy working on projects in your house. Maybe it's time to go out and do a project in the shop. Take on a restoration project in your house. Put on your favorite tunes and go off into your own little bliss. I'm Eric G. Thanks for tuning in to Around the House. We'll see you Saturday for a brand new show.
Somewhere unseen and undiscovered, anywhere beyond the mean. Life is a love song, let's be lovers. We're all over the radio. Take my hand, I know where to go. All over the radio with you.
Are you a contractor, landscaper, or small business owner? Are you tired of renting or pulling that worn-out trailer to the job site? Is that really the best look for your company? It's time to up your game and check out the trailers from Summit Trailer. If you want the highest quality trailer you can own, they are proudly made right here in Oregon with a dealer network all along the West Coast. What I love about my Summit Trailer is that it's a dump trailer that was designed to work. I can load it up without having to worry about if it's going to be able to lift the load, and it pulls like a dream. This was built to work. So it doesn't matter if you want a dump trailer like mine or a deck over flatbed, tilt bed, or utility trailer. They got a trailer that'll fit your needs. Invest in your business with something you'll feel proud of, pulling up to any job site or your next project. Check out the best trailer in the West at summittrailermfg.com. Check out the dealer locator and find your nearest dealer at summittrailermfg.com.